Hey everybody, it's me Jessica, and I got something new from Amazon today. This is my new sunscreen mirror. It's got the regular mirror right here, which is magnified, and then it's got a light right here. So I just have to short press to turn the light on, and then if I short press again, I can adjust the brightness, and then it'll go to off. And then if I do a long press, it turns on this UV camera. So I'm gonna try this out by putting on the sunscreen on just one side of my face. And then I'm gonna see if this can tell the difference. All right, so I'm gonna use my mirror to put this on over here and rub it in. Oh, look at that, you guys. So now you can see where the sunscreen is. And on this side, I haven't put it on yet. So this is gonna be so great to help prevent the skin damage from the sun. So this way I know exactly where the sunscreen is and where I need to apply more. And this is great. I can put this on my neck too. And yeah, this is so cool. This is a great way to help protect yourself from sun damage, to help prevent skin cancer. And then to turn that off, you just click like that. And then I can turn this back on again, so I can use just the mirror part if I want to do that. All right, and then it comes with the charging cable right there and the little cleansing cloth. So this is so great. You can just put this in your bag with you and make sure you charge it before you're going out to the pool or the beach. And I highly recommend this product.